Welcome to our YouTube video on how to customize a chat ringtone on WhatsApp. In this tutorial, we'll show you the steps to personalize your chat notifications on the popular messaging app. To get started, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Once you're in the app, go to the chat for which you want to customize the ringtone. Next, tap on the contact name at the top of the chat. This will bring up a menu with various options. Tap on Notifications to access the notification settings for this chat. Under the Calls section, you'll see an option for Ringtone. Tap on this to select a new ringtone for your chat notifications. A list of available ringtones will appear. Scroll through the options and choose the one that you want to use for this chat. Once you've selected your desired ringtone, tap on it to set it as the notification sound for this chat. And that's it. You've successfully customized the chat ringtone for a specific chat on WhatsApp. Now you can easily differentiate between chats based on the unique ringtone you've chosen. Thanks for watching our tutorial on how to customize a chat ringtone on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.